Bugatti's 4 million yacht has a jacuzzi and a fire pit because being rich means having no shame. I am not a rich person, nor do I hold rich people in particularly high regard. With that being said, I do occasionally enjoy examining and critiquing these things that rich people choose to buy. It helps to put things in perspective, like giving the top 1% a $275 billion tax cut and calling it healthcare reform. Take the Bugatti Chiron, a $2.6 million masterpiece in design and luxury. Only in the world of super rich would a supercar this fast and this beautiful be an inadequate means of transportation. And yet, now we also have the $4 million Bugatti super yacht to complement the Chiron. We'll get to the jacuzzi and the fire pit in a second. First, let's talk about how this thing came into existence. 2 years ago, Bugatti announced that it would produce a series of 3 luxe boats in collaboration with yacht builder Palmer Johnson. The series would be called Nanette, which was the nickname of Lydia Bugatti, daughter of the company founder Ettore. As you might expect, with a Bugatti branded boat, all 3 are covered in titanium and carbon fiber, accented by Bugatti's trademark blue. The Nanette 66 is the first in the series, ranging from 50 to 80 feet in length. It retains many of Bugatti's signature engineering traits, such as the accentuated centerline, symmetry, and a sweeping signature curve. It's not exactly a speed demon though, with the ability to reach a top speed of 44 knots, which is 50 mph. The real cylinder with this yacht was its absurd number of luxury accessories. The spacious deck is tricked out in leather and blue mortar oak, also known as bogwood, which is known for its ability to remain free of decay for thousands of years. The lower deck as a sun pad, whatever that is, a champagne bar, yup, and a freaking jacuzzi. I won't pretend to understand the impulse that leads for someone to design a yacht with a built-in jacuzzi, but I imagine it's the same impulse that would also lead that same person to include a fire pit on the yacht, which is to say, a deep and abiding desire to manufacture something that even the richest people in the world would look and say, damn, that's pretty silly, and I must have it. A new collection of yachts ranging from 50 to 88 feet in the length is the result of a partnership between French car manufacturer Bugatti and Monaco-based shipyard Palmer Johnson. As the manufacturer of the world's most powerful and exclusive production of super sports cars, Bugatti is celebrated globally for its contribution to the automobile industry. And now the luxury French brand is pushing its boundaries again by teaming up with the prestigious yacht manufacturer Palmer Johnson to produce the Bugatti Nanette 66. The first in the series of innovative yachts by the two brands, this model will combine two companies' expertise in design, technology, and performance. Taking inspiration from the iconic supercar Bugatti Chiron, this limited edition yacht will exhibit the signature engineering traits of Bugatti, from its accentuated centerline and symmetry to its sweeping curves. And this is combined with the design traits of Palmer Johnson have become known for including the use of advanced materials like carbon. The yacht features a spacious open deck that reflects Bugatti's focus on craftsmanship and authenticity material. With carbon fiber, finest leather, and naturally blue mortar oak wood, the lower part of the deck houses a combined jacuzzi, sun pad, and a champagne bar in the middle, flanked by two social areas on the side. There is also a fire pit centrally located between the jacuzzi and the two forward seats. Below deck, the spacious interior brings together polished metal, carbon, leather, and marble with a large Bugatti horseshoe seating area at its heart, a macaroon-shaped window for natural light to come in steaming in, and a luxurious master suite. And just like that with Bugatti's other models, the interior and exterior are both customizable. With just as much attention paid to performance, the yacht's slim main hull translates to high speeds with lower input of power and fuel burn. The side spawns ensure increased stability at rest. The yacht reaches a top speed of 44 knots with a shallow draft of 0.83 meters. Palmer Johnson Bugatti Nanette 66 feature an unusual layout for this size. Don't look for the typical 3 cabins and 3 heads, as here the forepart is dedicated to a larger salon with curved sofas and top-notch materials. To complete the ambience, The front walk bulwark sports the horseshoe pattern which bejewels the front of every Bugatti. A bathroom that serves a day toilet while the second one in the master cabin, amidst the level of luxury reserved to the owner, is the same you can experience all around. Customization is virtually limitless in terms of colors, materials, finishing, so that the Nanette 66 is a unique piece of art for every owner. So just like that, guys, we've come to the very end of the video. For more exciting luxury videos, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe like always.